Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to do the ordinary Jamaican fried chicken, and I am not going to use an egg or eggs because we do not use an egg or eggs, as I mentioned before, when doing our ordinary Jamaican fried chicken. So this is one chicken, a very small chicken that I season up, and I leave the skin, some of the skin intact, some of the skin I removed. You understand? Then I wash it with vinegar and water. Then I put to drain, and then I pat dry with a piece of paper towel, because I do not like to season my meat when water is settled at the bottom of the container. So I'm going to use a bunch of different spices to season the chicken. You can use whatever spices you want to use, and the amount as well is up to you. So I'm not gonna measure anything because I'm a Jamaican, so you know, so I don't measure something. So this is Badia complete seasoning and Lorry seasoning salt. I'll say half teaspoon of each. Paprika, so I'm going to use some onion powder, garlic powder, all-purpose, around quarter teaspoon of salt, chicken seasoning, and black pepper. That's it. So what I'm going to do now is to use my hand and kind of distribute the spices all over the chicken. So this is what it looks like. So in this small container, I have half of onion slice, 2 cloves garlic chunks, 2 hot peppers sliced, and I'm using the green hot peppers, less heat and more flavor. So I'm gonna use it and to season the chicken as well. I'm gonna cover this and let it marinate for up to 30 minutes. In this container, I have about a cup of all-purpose flour, and to it I added 1 teaspoon of chicken seasoning and 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning as well. So that's it. I'm gonna coat the chicken pieces into the flour mixture and then add it to the hot oil. And shake off the excess flour mixture and just add it together. And remember that this is the Jamaican fried chicken, right? We don't normally use eggs. So I'm gonna fry this for about 10 minutes, probably 5 minutes on each side on low medium heat.